doesn't love bacon? Who doesn't love bacon? So what I'm gonna do, y'all know what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm adding extra bacon.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Alright, as y'all can see, this been cooking for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the red pepper, yellow pepper, and the onions, alright? What's that? What do you mean? Because I was showing them the what's it called? We're gonna get this lettuce cut up. Alright guys, I drained the cabbage, so I'm gonna put that in there. We're gonna add a little garlic powder, pepper, and a little bit of chicken solution. Now we're going to add that. Alright guys, dinner is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the lid off for a while so some of this juice can burn out. And after that's done, everything is done. Alright, I'm going to take the first bite. That bad boy hot. You can see that steam. You see that steam? That's hot.
What was that?
That's good. Not nasty, it's good. So anything you cook that comes out good, it's always an A+. So this is really good. Little things I'll do differently when next time I make it, but this is good. It's not nasty, so that always an A+. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.